started a master's in education at UTC. Finished that up back in 2000. So that was the first time I graduated from UTC. I wanted to do a Ph.D., something I just wanted in my life. And an opportunity at the Sim Center came open. And a little before I finished that up, I was offered a job as a research associate. So I took that. It was a great opportunity. About the time I finished, lots of people were leaving, and I was not confident that my staff position would be funded in the next fiscal year. Reluctantly left UTC. I really enjoyed it, really enjoyed being an academic. I'm very happy to have had that time there. But this is a great opportunity, and it allowed me to utilize my talents and my research in a completely different field, something I never ever would have thought I would have been doing. What you're seeing is our robot literally printing plastic into the middle of the air, and through that and through utilization of a pattern, we're able to make this wonderful, strong lattice structure. You know, you take a block about the size of the cinder block, you can drive a car up on top of it. It'll hold 2,000 pounds in compression. Most of the projects we have taken on and we're taking on right now are, I guess they can best be described as art installations. We did a large pavilion structure down in Miami for a design exposition that is still there, by the way. It survived 2 hurricanes. We're very proud of that. We're building our demonstration house on Chattanooga State's campus that is already settled. A piece of property is picked out. It's down next to the river. Very gratifying to me since I worked at Chattanooga State for so many years. If you can give people something they can grab onto, then they understand. And I've always enjoyed doing that. It's why I enjoyed being an educator. If you want to build anything but a box, your cost goes up an order of magnitude, 10 times. We can probably bring that down into the 2 or 3 times range. You can make anything you want in a computer, and then great, it's a pretty picture, and that's it. Well, we're enabling people to actually make those things. That's fun. That's the daily fun of, ooh, I get to go and work on this and make it new and make the process better and come up with new ideas. That's a lot of fun.